Okay, you wanted to see how to make waterfalls. Well, these are the tools you will need. You'll need your scissors. You'll need either plastic, Scotch tape, or packing tape. And your stones. You can also use glass stones, your glue gun, and your glue. I put out some glitter glue this time around. We'll see how that turns out. I've never used it before. You also need optional moss and miniatures. And then some kind of base. I put this out for a base. That's what we're going to use this time. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to start. Oh, you also need parchment paper to start with. And let's start making a circle with your glue gun. And I'm already starting to run out. So we're going to put in that glitter to make the water with. So we're just going to make a circle. I know I'm in the way, but you just continue making a circle to make it as big as you want it to be. Alright, I'm going to pause this and make my circle and then we'll be back. Alright, now it's time for the waterfall. As you see, I've put stones on. I still have a little bit more to do, but I'll do that in a little bit. I got tape. I've got packing tape here. But you can also use plastic or Scotch tape. So, let's start the waterfall. All you do is you put your plastic or your tape over the top rock that you have at the moment and down into your water. And then you just start dripping your glue over it. And as you're doing that, it melts the plastic, so it makes it more of a look of water. And forgive my glue gun, it's on its last legs and starting to die. When it gets down to the bottom, you can kind of give it that fluffy look of white water, like it's fluffing up at the bottom. And do a little bit at the top. And then you take either one of your glue sticks, or if you have a stick like I do, you can go like this and make it even more fluffy. And then you just take one of your rocks and you build up above it. So it looks like the water's coming underneath it, not just out of nowhere. And then afterwards, you use your optionals. You can use your moss, your miniatures. That way you build up your scene. I'll take a picture of my scene when it's done and I'll post it.